and welcome back to my channel. I am James Lister. This is my channel obviously, and well, my last motorbike video where I have a problem, my bike has a problem, which that's if you check my channel out you'll see that. I had the problem with the tyres. Well, since I sorted that out, I haven't been on it for about 3 weeks because I went on a holiday skiing, and then I got back from skiing, and it was snowing over here, and this is the first time that it's been nice and sunny for a good few weeks, 1 month basically. So this is going to be, let's just see if my bike turns over, if the tyres are good, and if they are, I'll show you the bike and let's go on for a small ride, because I've got a few things to do this afternoon, so let's get to it. Alright. Is it right? Yeah, that's good. Let's get to it. So there's my bike. Let's see if it turns over and if the tyres are actually inflated, because hopefully if they are, because I want to go on a bike and show you how good it is. Well, the tyre is down again, so I'm going to have to go and get that sorted. The front one don't look too bad, but 36.40. Apparently you need to be, the tyres have to be 36 on the front, 42 on the back, according to BMW. So I'm going to put it in again and see if I can go on a ride and see if circulating the tyres helps, because I can't keep doing this. I need to find out why they're going down as well. I wonder if they're just going on because they just sat with no pressure on them. Now, I don't think I've got a puncture. I'll have to check, see if I've got a puncture, because I don't think I have, but you never know, do you? But yeah, let's see what happens. I'll check back with you. There is my bike, as I said. I'll check back with you once I know more about it. So what can I say? Yes, it didn't last very long, that ride, and the reason is my tyre is down again, so I went back to Quick Fit, which was super accommodating for me. Thank you to them. But basically, I found out I've got a nail in my back tyre, and I rang up Bmw because I get roadside assistance with them, and they said basically they said it's 25 quid to fix a tyre, fix a puncture, 25 quid or 130 quid for a tyre to be changed. I don't think the tyre needs changing. It's got lots of tread. At least I know the actual problem, and it's not. I don't have to worry. Oh, the tyre's going to go down all the time. I know what the actual problem is. So yes, it is a bigger problem. The title is correct. The problem is bigger than I expected, and it is, but it's solvable. So next week I'm going to hopefully get it sorted out. Hope you liked this video, because I enjoyed making it, even now that I know what's wrong with my bike. And yeah, I went on a little ride. It was a bit busy, as you can tell. Only did a small snippet of it all because you don't want to see all the streets and everything I've done. You just want to see a nice few bits of riding, that's it. But anyway, thanks for watching and clicking on this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I don't know which way it is, you know. It's either there or there. I think it's there, but I couldn't be too certain. But click it, click the notification button to let you know when I'm making more videos. As you know, I make rabbit videos, bike videos, car videos, tech videos. I did a cooking one. I do skiing videos. I do various videos. My channel isn't just about bikes and cars. It's about various things. My animals are hilarious. My bike and car are my things I enjoy. Skiing is a new thing for me, so you can watch me develop from being a crap learner to a decent parallel skier. Over the years it'll get better, so don't forget to click subscribe, like the video, and there's going to be lots more videos to come. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye.